welcome to Parkbench. I'm Pamela Pipher with VIP Realty, and this is Jennifer Hinners with Capital Group.
Hello.
Capital Care Group. Thank you. So, Jennifer, how are you today?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Fine, thank you. So, tell us about Capital Care Group and the services that you offer.
Okay, so we are a full-service CPA and accounting firm. We have over 20 years experience between our three CPAs. We do bookkeeping, payroll, auditing, tax preparation, tax planning. We also do estate planning, financial planning, and business planning.
So tell me about some of the services encompassed with the estate planning. When someone's ready to plan their estate, is that something that happens at a younger age, at an older age, just anything in between? Talk to us a little about that. When should someone come to you saying, I need to plan my life, to plan my estate?
Well, it's never too early to start planning. That's one of the things that we try to tell all of our clients. Even somebody my age, I'm starting to lay things out, how I want my future. Hopefully it plans out the way I like it to.
Mm-hmm.
But how I want, my plans to go. So it's not a simple process. It's not an overnight process. And I think some of our clients don't realize how involved of a process estate planning can be. But we work with several attorneys that we walk through the trust and the will planning, and then we work with them on their assets and how everything can be tied together, how to fully protect them. And then we also have some clients that we work on that we do premium financing for them. So we have one case with clients right now who they're actually traveling. He's in California. She's been going back and forth from Pennsylvania to New Jersey. So getting all of our paperwork together has been a fun challenge at sometimes. But just, making sure that we're working together. They have a $10 million estate that we are protecting with a trust, that we're getting premium finance for them. And that way they can make sure that everything is protected and safe for when they do pass, and their kids and their grandkids can take over their assets.
So that they can benefit from
Absolutely.
that. So when it comes to estate planning and even life planning, business planning, when people live in other states, quite often they'll come here. Is there some things for them to be concerned about?
Absolutely. One of our big things that we work with clients on is Florida domicile and making sure that they have the correct Florida docs. A lot of our clients don't understand that even though they have everything taken care of in Ohio or Michigan or New York, Florida doesn't accept a lot of the documents that are not on Florida stamped document pages. So even though you've already taken the time and set up these certain things in Ohio or Michigan or New York, you need to make sure that it's redone on Florida documents, because if you do happen to pass while you are in Florida, Florida's not going to accept whatever you've taken care of in Ohio or Michigan or anywhere else.
That could create a lot of problems.
Absolutely. That sends your estate into probate.
Uh-huh.
And anybody knows, you get that little chill down your spine when you hear probate. And
anything can happen.
Absolutely. It can reduce your estate by up to 40%.
Oh my goodness.
Just between the legal fees and, obtaining a lawyer and going back and forth between the court systems and documents, and it's a time hassle. I mean, it's a minimum of 6 months. It could take years.
Oh goodness.
We've had clients who have been fighting probate for 3 to 4 years and still haven't been able to get out of it. So, and
they should come see you way before.
Absolutely.
As soon as they move here.
Absolutely.
Come take care of business.
Because you don't want to be in that grieving state and then have to deal with, going into probate, or this document doesn't cover because it's not a Florida document. And, you want to take that time, be with your family, grieve for the one that you've lost, and
know that everything's taken care of.
Exactly. And then move on.
So what is one of your most memorable experiences working here at Capital Care?
Oh, there's so many. My most memorable is all the clients. We have so many clients, and in so many states. We even have a client who lives in Milan, Italy, and just being able to connect with them throughout the year. We do quarterly reviews with a lot of our clients. We do Skype reviews, so just getting to see them and reconnect with them. It's nice. One of our CPAs has been CPA for 50-something years. And so he's got generations of clients. So he's got parents, and then the children, and now the grandchildren are coming in. Yeah. So to see them come in and, they greet us like we're a part of the family, and there's, big hugs and how are you, and ice cream cones. And
That's nice. That's nice. So, Fort Myers, tell me what you love about Fort Myers.
There's so much to love. It's a great place. It still has that little town, city feeling, but it's a big city, and there's lots to do. There's great shopping, there's great restaurants, there's great beaches. There's the wonderful water park that we have over in Cape Coral that you can sneak off to. And even the hotels. I'm one of those actually this weekend. I have a hotel in Fort Myers Beach.
Just to get away.
Exactly.
For the weekend. Yes.
It's like a staycation, but I don't have to clean up after myself or anybody else.
There you go. And obviously, I live in Fort Myers. I do business in Fort Myers. You live here. You do business here. I'm sure you share with me that it's really important to do business locally. Tell me your thoughts about that.
Absolutely. Anything that you can do to help a small business, it's helping your neighbor. I love doing, like the Norman Love chocolates. That's my go-to chocolatier. I don't even go to the store anymore to buy, the Godiva and stuff. And it's so great to know that there's somebody that I can call that's right down the street, that if I need something, they're happy, they're more than willing to help me out. And it's a great product. And you have to get out there and see things. There's so many great stores and boutiques and retail stores that, they're locally owned and operated, and they've got so many things you wouldn't even think of, and they've got, all the cool things.
So it's just, I think what I love about Fort Myers is I love where I live. There's an outdoor life. The people here, they're approachable, they're friendly. Same thing with the business people. I love where I live. If I want to go somewhere quickly, I hop on that plane over at Southwest International Airport and you can go anywhere in the world.
It's only a 7-hour flight to Paris, so.
There you go. So you can, anything from here, right? So, well, I'd like to thank you for your time. Are you on Facebook?
Yes, we are. We are with Capital Care Group, PLLC. And then I am on there personally as well.
Okay, Jennifer Hinners, Hinners.
Yes,
okay. And the phone number here is?
239-274-8293.
So when it comes to estate planning, taxes, life planning really, not just with finances, when it comes to setting up a business, or when it comes to anything to making sure that your finances are set up appropriately, that your taxes are taken care of, that you've got the appropriate insurance, everything you need to protect yourself and grow, then you need to give Jennifer a call at Capital Care Group. Thank you, Jennifer.
Thank you.